everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making Georgia cracker bars. And Stacy from Stacy's Country Cooking submitted this recipe to us for us to make, and so let me get started on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer my graham cracker crumbs in this 9 by 13 inch pan. And we will leave her channel in the description box if y'all want to check her out. And she does a lot of good recipes. I think this week she's doing a pizza. Is that right, Calvin?
Yes, it was a...
It looked really yummy too. I can't wait to try it. Okay, now let me put in my wet ingredients. Okay, I'm adding my butter, and this recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, now I'm adding my brown sugar. Let me give this a little bit of a stir right quick. I hope everybody's having a great day today. It's drizzly here today, and it's going to be rainy again. Okay, now then I'm going to add my milk. And I'm going to put my 1 beaten egg in it. Okay. Now then, I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit. This is boiling too fast for me. Oops. I don't want my egg to cook. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my milk and my egg. Okay, now I'm going to let this come up to a boil. Now it's came to a boil, so I'm going to continue stirring for about 2 minutes. Okay, it's been boiling for 2 minutes, so now I'm going to add in my, so I'm going to turn it off, and so now I'm going to add in my pecans, or pecans, whichever one you want to say. In Georgia we say it both ways. Okay, now then I'm going to be putting in my coconut. And so now I'm going to be adding my vanilla flavoring.
That really looks good, and I like the way it smells right now.
Yeah. It's like what Stacy said, it does remind you of a German chocolate icing. Okay, now then I'm going to be adding in my graham cracker crumbs. And you want these kind of a little chunky, you don't want them completely fine. I think I got that on there pretty good. Okay, now then I'm going to be putting on my mixture. Putting on my mixture now, and then I'm going to be putting on another layer of graham cracker crumbs. Okay, I have my mixture spread on my graham cracker crumbs, so now I'm going to put another layer on. And when I get this layer on, I'm going to make my icing. This sort of smells like pecan pie.
I love pecan pie, so we'll go with that too. We're going to call it Georgia cracker bars since we're from Georgia.
Yeah. Okay, and then you just give it a little, and you just press it down. Okay, I think that's good, and so I'm going to get started on my icing next. Okay, I'm going to be making my icing for my Georgia cracker bars. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is adding my powdered sugar and my butter. And I'm going to stir this a little bit. Okay, now that I'm going to be adding my milk, I'm going to be adding it a little at a time. This is 3 tablespoons that I've started with until I get the right consistency. I'm going to try something a little bit different right here. I'm going to use this. Okay, that's really thick, so I believe it's going to take all this and maybe some more. I hear the crows. They're really going crazy up there. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to be needing a little bit more milk.
You've got to add your vanilla flavoring also.
Oh, I know, I will, but you're supposed to do it. Okay, I'm going to add my vanilla flavoring because the cameraman says to. I still think I'm going to need some milk, more milk, and I'm right. Yeah, it's getting there now. I believe that's about right. So I'm going to put this on. Okay. Alright, I believe this is about right, so I'm going to put my icing on. Okay, I believe this is about right, so now I'm going to be putting my icing on. Let's see how good it spreads. It's doing pretty good. A lot better than I thought it was going to spread. And when this cools, I'm going to be cutting these into bars. And I'm sure glad that these graham crackers didn't come up while I was spreading this. I was so worried about that. Okay. And here's my Georgia cracker bars. And I know they're going to be good when we cut them up in just a minute. Okay, my Georgia cracker bars have been setting for about an hour, and so I'm ready to cut them now. They sure look good, and I'm ready for one. taste a bite of one of my Georgia cracker bars. And that's really tasty and yummy. Thank you, Stacy. And if any of our subscribers wants to submit a recipe, you may get lucky like Stacy did. And so do what you love and love what you do. And y'all have a great evening. Bye.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.